Hi everyone, my name is Naima Bremer, and today I'm here with Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful metallic eye look using Shadowstix, and I'm also going to be showing you how to create this beautiful bold matte lip. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a little color correction. For Maddie, I'm using the Bright Fix in the color Peach. It's really going to remove these dark circles, and I always like to really get these corners. So for foundation, I'm just gonna use this Eaze Drop Stick foundation. Oh my God, it like glides on like butter. Like, do you see that? Oh my God. So we're just gonna bounce this into the skin using a sponge. And never forget the neck. I'm gonna be using number 8 just to kind of highlight a little bit. This is just gonna do it all. And if you want a little highlight here on the nose, and going back in with the sponge, just gonna bounce this baby in. We're just gonna snatch the face a little bit. Using the OG Match Stix, gives you that perfect combination of not too warm, not too cool. And when it comes to shading the face, I like to always just blend going up because we wanna lift up the face. I'm also just gonna use the OG Match Stick in the color Amber Suede, just to contour the nose. So to bronze up the face a little bit, I'm gonna use the cream bronzer in Macchiato. And I always just like to take my sponge and just go over whatever you've done. It's really gonna help you and get that kind of professional blend. Okay, to set the face, we're gonna use the iconic Invisimatte. We're gonna go in with the Killawatt in Mean Money Hustler Baby. So we're gonna load up on this Mean Money Hustler Baby. And I always like to just do a little highlight right here. To give Maddie's eyes a little bit of contour, I'm gonna go in with the Shadowstix in the color Shrew Mate. And we're just gonna go along the lash line, but always make sure you quickly blend. So I just wanna smoke out the bottom just a little bit. So I'm gonna be using the Shadowstix in the color In Big Truffle. And we're just gonna go right on the bottom lash line. And on the outer ends of the eye, I'm just blending it out and pulling it out just a little bit up, just to further elongate and lift up the eyes. To amp up the glow a little bit, I'm gonna use the Shadowstix in the color Get On Taupe. And we're just gonna go right on top of the entire eyelid. And we're just gonna diffuse the edges a little bit. So for the inner corner, I'm gonna use the Shadowstix in Sip and Sparkle, and we're just only gonna hit the inner corners of the eyes. Okay, we're also gonna put a little bit of Sip and Sparkle, the brows. For mascara, we're gonna load up on this Hella Thicc, and I love wiggling mascaras from root to tip. To finish off the look, I'm gonna use the Icon Velvet Liquid Lipstick in Breadwinner. And it's just a beautiful chocolate shade. So there you have it. This is the finished look.